So, right. So this is devlog 3. And in devlog 3, I've pretty much... It's really just an update of what I've done. So I've officially moved... I'll show you right here. I've officially moved the leader stats from the GUI into the replicated storage since I've made it, and then I made it to where the script here is cloning this leader stats and putting it inside the player, which you can see right here. And that's important because the leader stats has to be in the player, not the character or the GUI. I just temporarily put it there because I was still setting up the leader stats folder and what properties I was putting there, and I was keeping it there for simplicity. Like right here, I've had it in the GUI because it was a lot quicker to access right here when scripting. So anyways, it was never going to stay in the GUI. It was just temporary staying there. Also, I've added a age stat, as well as I've added an experience level here. And this experience level is the experience this character has had in the world of King's Landing, or in the city of King's Landing, but in the world of Game of Thrones for my server. And the reason why I'm saying that is because there's different kinds of experience points. There's different kinds of EXP. All right, because there's endurance, bulk, age, spirit, stamina, strength. Those are also experience or EXP levels. So that's why I'm clarifying, because technically these are not experience. Levels. They're age levels, but still, I just wanted to make sure that was clear. But anyways, I added age stats and I put it all here. Now I made this GUI just temporarily to show the functionality, not to make it look good, because I'm focusing on the functionality right now. Once I get done with the functionality, then I can work on the design. Let's see. So, and pretty much if you come here, actually, let me continue. I also made it to where inside the walk speed script, I made it to where every time you press Q and you walk, it says this right here, and it takes away some experience or some EXP. And here it is, like every 5 seconds pretty much you get 5 EXP levels plus 5. But every time you press Q and you start sprinting, you lose 100 EXP. And this is not how it's going to be. I'm just putting it that way because just to show you that pretty much for like when the morality system happens, when you make a bad act, then your stats will go down. Or if you put on heavy armor, your speed goes down. And I was just showing you that this works. So right now, if you press P, this screen comes up, right? And as you can see, when it's up, it doesn't update the value. And that's just to keep it simple, so people don't have to worry about the amount of experience they're getting. Like right there, they can just do the quick math. But if you press P again and have it pop up again, it obviously updates. But every second, it's updating, as you can see. So now, right now, it's at 245. So when you press Q to run, and you turn it off, it's taken away 100. See, it was at 240, and now it's at 150. So if you press Q again, all right, it's gone down. And you press Q again to stop, it doesn't change, obviously, because the stats is, the GUI is just put up. But if you press P, obviously, like I said, it's going to change. And if you press Q again, and obviously you could stop, it's at negative 26. And see, that's where, like I said, that's where the morality system is going to come in. That's where, when you, for example, you put on heavy armor, your stamina is going to go down, and it can go into the negative. Well, I'd hope not, because I I don't know how that would work, to be honest with you, but pretty much the general idea is that you can take away and go below 0. And as you can see, it can go back above 0. So anyways, it all works. Yeah, I think that's about it for Devlog 3.